Hello and welcome. Today, I'll be explaining how you can make money on Instagram. Instagram is a powerful social media platform with millions of users worldwide. With the right strategies, you can leverage this platform to generate income. Here are the most effective ways to make money on Instagram. Sponsored posts. If you have a large following on Instagram, brands may want to collaborate with you. You can earn money by promoting products or services through sponsored posts. Working with reputable and relevant brands will help maintain your followers' trust and engagement. Affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies as an affiliate, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Share these links in your posts or stories and encourage your followers to purchase the products. Selling your own products. Whether it's physical products, digital goods, or even your own services, Instagram provides a great platform to showcase and sell what you offer. Use high-quality images and engaging captions to attract potential buyers. Instagram shopping. Utilize Instagram's shopping feature to tag products directly in your posts and stories. This makes it easy for your followers to purchase items directly from your Instagram profile. Offering paid content. Create exclusive content that your followers can access for a fee. This could be through a subscription service, paid tutorials, or special behind-the-scenes content, sponsored stories. In addition to posts, you can also create sponsored stories. These are particularly effective due to their temporary nature and high engagement rates. Brand ambassadorships. Becoming a brand ambassador means having a longer-term relationship with a company. You'll represent the brand on a more consistent basis, often involving a series of posts and ongoing promotion. Shoutouts and promotions. Charge other users or brands for shoutouts or promotions on your account. This is especially effective if you have a highly engaged audience. Instagram ads. Use Instagram's advertising platform to create ads for your products or services. Target your ads to specific audiences to maximize your reach and conversion rates. Utilize IGTV and Reels. Create engaging and valuable content on IGTV and Reels. This can attract more followers and increase your chances of monetization through various methods mentioned earlier. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key. Engage with your audience regularly and provide valuable content to keep them interested and invested in your profile. With dedication and strategic planning, you can turn your Instagram presence into a profitable venture. Thank you for listening. Best of luck on your journey to making money on Instagram.